In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply an action filter in Tableau. We all know how powerful Tableau can be in transforming data into actionable insights, and learning how to use action filters can really elevate your data visualization game. Whether you're new to Tableau or just looking to sharpen your skills, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly and efficiently. To start, open up your preferred web browser and search for Tableau. You'll either want to log into your existing account or create a new one if you haven't yet signed up. It's a straightforward process, and once you're in, you can start by either creating a new workbook or opening an existing one that you want to enhance with an action filter. Now let's dive into the workbook. Navigate to the Worksheet menu and select Action. This is where the magic happens. You'll then click on Add Action, and from the list of options, choose Filter. It's important here to give your action a descriptive name. This will help you identify it later, especially if your project grows and involves multiple action filters. Next, you'll need to determine which sheets within your workbook will be interacting. The sheet where the user can make selections is known as the source sheet, and the sheet that will reveal filtered data based on those selections is known as the target sheet. Carefully select the source and target sheets according to your visualization needs. One of the key steps is deciding how your action filter will be triggered. You have three options here. You can apply it through a click, a hover, or via a menu selection. Think about your audience and how they'll interact with your dashboard. For instance, if you're aiming for a seamless experience, applying filters on hover might be the best choice. However, if more deliberate interactions are suitable, a click or menu selection could work better. Now, let's talk about the relationship between this new action filter and any existing filters on your target sheet. You have several choices. You can set the new action to add to the current filters, which is useful if you want to layer multiple filters for a more detailed view. Alternatively, you can choose to replace the existing filters entirely with this new action, providing a complete change in perspective. Lastly, you have the option to clear all filters when this action is engaged, which can be particularly helpful for resetting and starting fresh from a user interaction standpoint. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your Tableau workbook becomes more interactive and insightful. Take a moment to test your action filter by interacting with the source sheet and observing the changes in the target sheet. This will help confirm that everything is working as intended. Hopefully, this guide has helped demystify the process of applying action filters in Tableau. Go ahead and give it a try with your own data. I'm confident you'll find it a valuable tool in your data storytelling arsenal. Thanks for watching, and happy data visualizing.